that love could be inside of one. I never knew what my life was for, but now that you're here.
I love you, Ty. I love you, love you, love you.
Hey, honey. Today's our day. We finally made it. All these months of planning and everything like this, and today I get to marry the woman of my dreams, my best friend. Love you very much. I can't wait to watch you walk down this aisle.
But I'm happy for y'all, man. I'm just so pleased, to see y'all together and just the love that y'all found, man. It's a beautiful thing, and I'm happy to be here to share it with you, man. I love you.
Hey, I want to wish congratulations to Ty and Jill. Best wishes on a terrific life together. I wish you the best. God bless you.
And whoa, we'll have a ball. And darling, it will be so woo-wee, so grand.
We've gathered here together today in the sight of God and in the presence of family and friends to join Tyrone and Jill in marriage. Marriage is a sacred union. We are here today to affirm and to give witness to this sacred moment that we now enter. As Tyrone, as you and Jill stand in the presence of God, I remind you that love, loyalty, and trust will form the foundation of a happy and healthy home. No other human expression of you guys' love. Usually I have to tell couples, y'all face each other. Y'all look at each other. And I haven't had to give 1 minute of this. And y'all are already ready to kiss, aren't you? All right, here we go. Tyrone, do you take Jill Allison to be your lawfully wedded wife, to love and to cherish, to have and to hold? Do you promise to be faithful to her as long as you both live? If this is your intention, you will answer, I do. Jill Allison. Do you take Tyrone to be your lawfully wedded husband, to cherish, love, have, hold? You promise to be faithful to him as long as you both live. If this is your intention, will you answer for the second time? I do. Yes. Wow. Tyrone, if you to be my wife, from this day to Jill, for better or worse, for richer or poorer, in sickness and in health, in all circumstances of life. Here we go. Listen and speak. And say to Tyrone, I, Jill Allison.
I, Jill Allison.
Taking Tyrone to be my husband from this day forever, for better or worse, richer or poorer, in sickness and health, in all circumstances of life. Amen. Tyrone, now if you will say to Jill, with this ring, I give you my heart, my love, and my loyalty. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Jill, you will say to Tyrone, with this ring, I give you my heart, my love, and my loyalty. In the name of the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Today, for the lives, for the love, and for the living of Tyrone and Jill. In the name of Jesus the Christ, we pray. Everyone say amen. 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 All right, well, that was just about as quick as Tyrone, your playing time was when we played it. Amen. This is your wife, Tyrone. You may kiss the bride.
Wow.
It gives me great joy to pronounce to you, Mr. and Mrs. Tyrone and Jill Jones. By the power given me by God, I now pronounce you to be husband and wife. What God has joined together, let no man ever separate. Can the church say amen?
Amen.
Was a lonely man on a long and winding road. My money was tight, I was struggling to survive. But then you came my way like an angel here on earth, and you believed in me, you helped me change my life. But I'm not a perfect man, but I'm glad you're
Thank God.
But I'm not a perfect man.
Just take it out.
I got to get my sermon ready.
How your life can truly change when you've got a woman and she believes in you. What you have given me is a reason to go on. Brought out the man in me, the man I never knew. But I'm not a perfect man, but I'm glad you understand. I wanna be your heart and soul provider. But I'm not a perfect man, but I'm glad you understand that with my love I protect you like a soldier. I never realized how much I need you until I found your love and found my way. And now I'm not afraid.